Kabi Vitrum has played a leading role in nutritional intravenous therapy since the 1940s, when Professor Arvid Wretlind and his colleagues at the Karolinska Institute, in collaboration with Kabi Vitrum, developed a protein hydrolysate for intravenous administration. Intralipid, the first non-toxic fat emulsion for intravenous use, was introduced in 1961. Intravenous fat emulsions gained worldwide acceptance in the 70s and 80s. Today, Kabi Vitrum has 60% of the world market for these products. Kabi Vitrum and the Karolinska Institute went on to develop Vamin, the first complete, balanced crystalline amino acid solution for intravenous use. Kabi Vitrum produces all components used for total parenteral nutrition, or TPN, intralipid, Vamin, and special additives containing trace elements, Adamel, and vitamins, Soluvit and Vitalipid. Later came the more concentrated amino acid solutions, Vamin 14 and Vamin 18, and the special formulations Vaminolac and Amines. Today, the most important trend in clinical intravenous nutrition is toward all-in-one, a system that's already had a widespread impact in Europe and the USA. In the future, individual solutions will be pre-mixed and distributed directly from the factory to the hospitals in plastic containers adapted to each patient. Kabi Vitrum offers a complete range of products that make such individual adaptation possible. Kabi Vitrum is continuing to develop additional user-oriented systems for the hospital pharmacist, the nurse, and the patient. Today, Kabi Vitrum products are produced throughout the world in Limoges, France, Clayton, USA, Wuxi, China, and Stockholm and Brunna in Sweden. Let's look now at portions of our manufacturing, in this case, stages in the production of intralipid and other products. Intralipid is the Kabi Vitrum product behind our expertise in advanced process production. Intralipid is made from soybean oil and egg yolk phosphatides. Intralipid is a fat emulsion that, to put it simply, consists of oil mixed with water. To mix oil with water without the mixtures separating, phosphatides are used as a sort of packaging for the fat globules that will provide the patient with energy and life. The process begins with the extraction of phospholipids from the powdered egg yolk. In the refinement facility, which is the final stage in the production of the phosphatide raw material, the raw material is freed of the last remaining foreign substances. After an additional series of complex cleansing steps, we have the finished, refined phosphatide. At each stage in the production, samples are taken for bacteriological testing. Raw materials are handled in coded batches. That way, we can tell exactly from which batch any given sample has been taken. This ensures the required safety in our quality control. Here, such refined raw materials as phosphatides and oil are mixed and sent through the homogenizer. This is where the tiny fat globules are surrounded by the phosphatide that makes it possible to mix those fat globules with water. All the water we use is distilled in our own distilling facility. We use water both as an ingredient in our products and in all cleansing of bottles, mixing vessels, and other production equipment. To ensure that our high standards of quality, sterility, and safety are met, all bottles that will contain the emulsion are subjected to the same rigorous inspection as all other elements in our production process. last stage is the final inspection of the bottles and their labeling in various languages. The finished products then go to storage to await analysis and quality inspection before being shipped to customers. Our products satisfy the requirements for quality, sterility and safety that must be imposed on TPN products. All research and product development at Kabi Vitrum is initiated by the needs of patients. Everybody requires nutrition containing correct amounts of energy-giving carbohydrates and fats, as well as amino acids, vitamins and trace elements. This mixing can be performed with the Mix-in-One, a new high-tech computerized compounding system from Kabi Vitrum Nutrition. In the customer's hands, the solution is now prepared for the patient. Kabi Vitrum Nutrition develops products and accessories. We value input from our customers, not only in our day-to-day contact with customers in the field, but also through our active participation in trade fairs and through our symposia. All these contacts keep us in constant touch with our end users. As a result of this feedback, we are constantly refining and improving our products and keeping our customers informed too of the latest developments in this dynamic field through such media as our educational programs. Extensive development work involving new products and systems is constantly underway in our labs. Here, for example, in collaboration with Sun Oil in the United States, Kabi Vitrum is developing an artificial oxygen carrier. This substance offers major clinical advantages in the treatment of such ischemic disorders as stroke and myocardial infarction. Here we see 50% of a rat's blood being replaced by this artificial oxygen carrier. Afterwards, careful observation and tests show the rat has retained its ability to breathe. Arvid Wretlind is still at work refining our current products and developing new ones, here in collaboration with Kabi Vitrum's head of research. These past years have been good years for Kabi Vitrum, and the future looks good too. Let's listen now to what Kabi Vitrum's Chief Executive Officer Håkan Åström has to say.
Our profit performance proves that we are well positioned to be the #1 TPN company in the world, and we aim to stay there.